Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And where are we standing today?
We are up by Salmon Glacier, which is near Hyder, Alaska. It's up about 20-mile dusty dirt road.
Yeah, very dusty, very dirty. And we actually go from sea level up to 3,700 feet. So we're actually above the glacier up here, which makes for some very interesting photography.
So we're going to share some of our pictures with you. Unusual for us is that it's midday, so we're getting some bright blue sky pictures.
Right. And it's also very, very buggy. So there's not going to be a lot of commentary along with this video because we can only stand the bugs for so long.
Oh, well, a little bit of bug spray will help.
Yes.
From Hyder, if you feel adventurous, you can travel up a very dusty gravel road. We're at 3,000 feet, and we are at an overlook of the Salmon Glacier, one of the largest drive-up glaciers in this part of the country.
Corinne and I took a number of photographs, and I also broke out the drone to do a little drone photography as well. Here are the photographs and drone photographs that we took that day. We hope you enjoy them. Well, we sure hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up.
And if you'd like to see more of our videos, we sure hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button down below.
And as always, if you want to know when we release videos, hit that bell button.
And we love your comments and questions and thoughts, so if you have anything you want to share about this location or our pictures, please put it in the comments section below.
And until next time, bye for now.
Bye for now.